Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a bridal look, and I think I'm actually going to do a little series on YouTube of bridal looks because a good friend of mine has actually asked me to do her wedding makeup, so I thought this is definitely going to get my kind of juices flowing when it comes to bridal makeup. This is your kind of classic kind of bridal look that you see quite a lot. I just chucked in a wee, like a fake bun situation just to make it look like a high bun. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment, guys. Also, if you could hype up the videos, there's a new little sign that says hype, and if you press that then it just kind of pushes the video out to more people. So yeah, I would appreciate that if you guys could do that. If you guys want to know how I created this nice sparkly bronzy bridal look, then just keep watching. So Wonderbrow actually sent out their fluffy brow wax in the shade Blonde, and they also sent out their classic brow pencil. So today I'm trying out these, and I can honestly say these were absolutely fantastic. I don't really have much of a brow, but these really made my brows stand out a lot more, and I really like this pencil. It's got a little brush on the end of it as well, and the pencil is really nice and smooth and pigmented as well. So this is what the pencil looks like. I've got this in the shade Blonde. I have actually used Wonderbrow's products before, and I do really enjoy them. I honestly don't have the best eyebrows, but this definitely makes them so much better looking. Now I'm just taking the fluffy wax, and we are just going in with that over the top of it. Now this holds the brows down and gives it that little bit more of a definition. Definitely think these are going to be my go-to for brow products from now on. So now I'm just shaping them, and that will do for all the brows. Now I'm just taking the Louise base in the shade 2, and we're just applying that all over our eyelids. This is just going to be the base for our eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using today is the Fine eyeshadow palette. This one is the light one, and I'm just taking this shade here, and we are just applying this all over our eyelid just to set that base in place, as the base will crease. Just taking this light brown shade, and we are going to start building that outer corner of our eye, and we're just going to build that up to a nice bronzy look. I'm being a little bit more softer and a little bit more delicate at first. Obviously you can go as light-handed as you want with this, or you can deepen it up even more, but this is just the kind of style that I've went with. Now just going to take this brown shade and still working towards the end of that V shape there. Now just going to take this shade here, and we are just going to again put that just slightly in the middle, just to give it like that kind of transition shade to blend into there. Again, I'm still being very light-handed with this. Obviously you can build up this colour or any of these colours as much as you want. I'm now just taking a little bit of blank canvas, and I'm doing a very light cut crease. Again, I am constantly going back and forth darkening that outer area as well. I decided to take these two shimmer shades, and we're working with our lightest in the inner corner, or then the second lightest shade in the centre of our lids, and I'm just making sure that this is nice and seamlessly blended. These shimmers are absolutely beautiful. They are super glittery and sparkly, and they really do set this look off. Again, I'm going back and forth with fluffy brushes now, and we're just blending out all the outer edges and darkening up that outer V. I'm now just taking Peaches and Cream pigment in the shade Hollywood. Now this is like a pearly gold pigment, and it is super glittery, so I'm just taking it on a little flat brush with a very light hand, and we're just dabbing that on that inner corner area there at our lightest area. And I decided I wasn't going to do like a really black smoky look. I wanted to keep it quite natural, so we're just taking a dark brown and we're just putting that on top as a little smoked out wing. I am also tightlining at the top lash line just to give it that little bit more definition. Now I haven't added any lashes to this look. I've just used my own normal lashes and just put a little bit of mascara over the top as well. And I am going for a nude waterline and a little bit of a smoked out lash at the bottom there as well. Something quite simple but really elegant looking, really. Just going to take my Doll Beauty highlighter in Like a Diamond, and we are just going to highlight that inner corner, and we're just going to highlight like the brow bone, down the nose, anywhere that you want to put highlighter, basically you can put it here. Or if you wanted to keep this look more matte, then you don't have to add any highlighter, but I've just added a little bit. Now I'm just throwing on a quick lip. I'm just using, is it Cappuccino I think, lip liner by NYX and Doll Beauty's lipstick in the shade FOMO, I believe. Again, just going back and forth with this highlighter, and we're just doing like our brow bone and things like that. Just taking this old blusher and I'm just applying this to the high points of my face. We are going in with quite a dewy, glowy look here. So I am using like shimmery blushes and stuff. I'm not using matte blushes. And this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. This is my bronzy glam bridal look. Obviously you could incorporate this however you wish. This is just how I've done it today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz. And I'll see you guys in my next video.